Hello everyone. Welcome to the used Excavator Cat 320GX driving series. Today, we're going to take you on a detailed tour of the features of this high-performance excavator, as well as the safety protocols and precautions you need to follow during operation. The used Excavator Cat 320GX is a well-designed medium to large excavator built for efficient construction. Not only does it offer great digging capacity, it also has excellent fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs. Whether it's earth moving, road construction, or mining, it can handle it with ease. The used Excavator Cat 320GX is equipped with a powerful engine and an efficient hydraulic system, providing excellent power output and precise operating control. Its advanced technology ensures the efficiency and stability of operations while significantly reducing fuel consumption. Safety is always a primary concern when operating an excavator. Below we will cover some important safety practices to ensure that every operation is carried out in a safe environment. First of all, please check whether all the functions of the equipment are normal before operation. After entering the cab, please fasten your seat belt and adjust the seat and rear view mirror to ensure comfortable operation and open vision. When starting the equipment, confirm that all the indicators are normal and slowly push the control rod to avoid sudden acceleration or sudden stop. When carrying out excavation work, keep your movement smooth, ensure the correct angle and depth of the shovel, avoid overslanting or digging too deep, and don't stretch your arms too much when full. After completing the work, please park the excavator on a stable ground, turn off the equipment and carry out necessary inspection and maintenance. Regularly check the level of hydraulic oil, engine oil and coolant to ensure the normal operation of the equipment. The used Excavator Cat 320GX, with its high performance and high safety, is your right hand in a variety of construction projects. Keep in mind the safe operating practices to ensure the smooth progress of every operation. Thank you for watching this guide. We'll see you next time.